AI can't touch, the jobs that are about to explode, and the resources you need to level up your game. This isn't just about staying ahead of the curve, it's about understanding the tech that's about to reshape the entire playing field. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, because things are about to get interesting. Alright, so first things first, AI isn't just for Silicon Valley anymore. We're not just talking about robots building cars or some algorithm writing code. This stuff is going mainstream. Think healthcare, where AI is helping diagnose diseases earlier than ever, or finance, where it's spotting fraud in real time. Heck, even artists are using AI to create mind-blowing visuals and music. This means a tidal wave of new jobs is coming. We're talking about roles we haven't even thought of yet. Positions that sound like they're straight out of a sci-fi movie. But here's the flip side. Some jobs, especially the ones that are, let's be honest, a little bit repetitive, a little bit predictable, those are the ones that AI is going to start taking over. And look, I know that might sound a little scary, but think of it this way. This is your wake-up call. This is your chance to evolve, to level up your skill set, and to future-proof yourself for the jobs of tomorrow. Because the truth is, the job market has always been about adapting. The Industrial Revolution replaced weavers with machines, but it also created a whole new world of opportunities for mechanics, engineers, and factory workers. So yeah, some jobs are going to disappear, but a whole lot more are going to be created. The key here, the thing that separates those who thrive from those who get left behind, is going to be adaptability. Okay, let's rip off the Band-Aid. What jobs are we talking about here? What's AI going to automate into oblivion? Well, if you're doing something that's basically following a set of rules, something predictable, repetitive, that's prime AI territory. Think data entry. Why pay a person to manually input numbers when a bot can do it faster and cheaper? Telemarketing, same deal. AI can handle those scripted calls, filter out the uninterested folks, and even schedule appointments. Even some basic customer service roles like answering FAQs or processing returns are ripe for automation. But here's the thing. This isn't necessarily a bad thing. Think about it. Do you really want to be stuck in a job that's basically just you, a computer, and a soul-crushing script? This is your chance to step up, to get out of those roles, and into something more fulfilling, more creative, more human. This isn't about robots stealing jobs. It's about robots taking over the tasks that, frankly, most of us don't want to be doing anyway. And that opens up a whole world of possibilities for us to focus on what we're good at. Problem solving, critical thinking, and connecting with other human beings. Because here's the thing that nobody's talking about. Even with AI handling the grunt work, someone still needs to design the systems, train the algorithms, and make sure everything's running smoothly. That's where the real opportunity is. So yeah, some jobs are going to disappear. But in their place, a whole new category of jobs is going to emerge. Jobs that require creativity, empathy, and a deep understanding of how to work alongside AI. These are the jobs that are going to be in high demand, the jobs that will pay well, and the jobs that frankly will be a lot more interesting than filling out spreadsheets all day. So, we've talked about the jobs AI is coming for, but what about the skills it can't replicate? What makes us uniquely human and therefore uniquely valuable in the age of AI? Well, it all boils down to one thing: our humanity. See, AI is great at logic, but it's terrible at emotions. It can write a decent email, but it can't understand the nuances of a face-to-face conversation, and that's where you come in. Skills like emotional intelligence, the ability to understand and respond to human emotions, that's huge. Think about it. Therapists, teachers, salespeople, even managers, they all rely on emotional intelligence to connect with people, build trust, and get results. Then there's creativity. Sure, AI can generate art and music, but it's still mimicking existing styles. True creativity, the kind that pushes boundaries and challenges the status quo, that's still a human domain. So if you're a designer, a writer, a musician, or anyone who brings new ideas to life, your skills are only going to become more valuable. And let's not forget critical thinking. AI can analyze data, but it can't always understand the context, the bigger picture. It takes a human mind to connect the dots, to see patterns, and to make informed decisions based on incomplete information. And finally, there's leadership. AI can manage tasks, but it can't inspire a team, build a company culture, or motivate people to achieve a shared goal. Those are all human skills, and they're going to be more important than ever in the age of AI. Alright, so we've talked about the skills you need, but how do you actually develop them? How do you future-proof your career and get ahead of this AI wave? Well, the good news is, it's easier than you might think. First things first, embrace lifelong learning. The job market is changing faster than ever, so the only way to stay ahead is to constantly be learning and adapting. And the best part is, you don't need to go back to school to do it. The internet is your friend here. Platforms like Coursera, edX, Udemy, even YouTube are packed with free and affordable courses on everything from coding to data analysis to digital marketing. Pick a skill you want to develop and dive in. Speaking of coding, even a basic understanding of how software works can be incredibly valuable in the age of AI. You don't need to be a coding whiz, but knowing how to write a simple script or build a basic website can give you a huge leg up. Data is also going to be king in the AI era. The ability to analyze data, to extract insights, and to communicate those insights to others is going to be in high demand across industries. So, brush up on your Excel skills, learn a little bit of SQL, or take a course on data visualization. But here's the thing, learning new skills is only half the battle. You also need to be able to apply those skills in the real world. And the best way to do that is to get hands-on experience. Look for internships, volunteer opportunities, or freelance gigs that allow you to use your new skills. So, we've covered a lot of ground here, but let's bring it all home. How do you future-proof your career in the age of AI? It's not about predicting the future, it's about being prepared for anything. First and foremost, embrace a growth mindset. Be open to new ideas, new technologies, and new ways of doing things. The world is changing fast, and the only way to keep up is to be willing to learn and adapt. Next, build your network. Connect with people in your industry, attend conferences, and join online communities. The more people you know, the more opportunities you'll be exposed to. Stay curious, read books, listen to podcasts, and follow thought leaders in your field. The more you know about the world, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the future. Don't be afraid to take risks. Step outside of your comfort zone, try new things, and don't be afraid to fail. The biggest lessons are often learned from our mistakes. And finally, be proactive. Don't wait for the future to happen to you.